A very, very good morning, Capricorns. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading from 25th of June till 25th of May. Sorry, 25th of May till 25th of June. I'm really sorry about this. And this is reading for singles only, okay? This is a reading for singles only, yes. So it might or might not resonate with you. You have to check it for yourself. Let's see what your past energy was regarding your love life. Let's see, Capricorn, what your past energy was regarding your love life. The moon. I feel like you were trying to conceal your emotions, you were trying to hide your emotions, or you were not being able to, tell exactly what you are feeling about this particular connection or person. Lots of subconscious fears going on in your mind, in your soul. So you were very, very fearful about something, something in a connection. You were very, very fearful that this is not going to work out. You were afraid of, committing to this person, or you were afraid of being in a committed relationship. It could also mean like that. So let's clarify why you were so much afraid of something. Let's clarify. The devil, the high priestess, and the knight of swords. Okay. So you were feeling like you were tied down with somebody. You were being used, or you were very, very obsessed with somebody, or somebody was very, very obsessed with you. There was something that was toxic in this connection. There was something that was not healthy in this connection, and you were just trying to listen to your intuition. Your intuition was telling you again and again that don't rush into anything. Don't rush into anything. That is why you are very, very fearful about being in a committed relationship. Okay, so because your intuition was poking you again and again, don't rush into this connection, don't rush into this connection. That is what was happening, and you were very, very fearful, you were very, very afraid of being in a committed relationship or to commit to somebody. That was what was happening. That was what's happening. Okay. This was the thing. Let's see, Capricorn. Your current energy right now is your current energy, Capricorn, right now is Three of Pentacles. So I feel like you are ready to put in the effort, put in the energy, put in the work in this connection. You are willing to, start all over again. You are ready to have a teamwork with this particular person. Okay, you are ready to put in the teamwork. You want equal give and take. Let's clarify. It could also mean something else. Let's clarify. Let's clarify your present energy, Capricorn. Ten of Wands, Page of Cups, and the Nine of Wands. So, Capricorn, you feel like this relationship is a burden. You can feel like this relationship is a burden. This whole connection thing is a burden. Still, you are carrying lots of emotions for this particular person. And I feel like you are developing new feelings for this particular person, but you're emotionally off. You are trying to be emotionally off as of now because you're deeply hurt. You are hurt by something that this person did in the past, or with your or by your own wrongdoings. There was something wrong in this connection. I told you, okay? And this something wrong made you feel very, very hurtful, made you feel like there's something very, very hurtful happening to you right now as well. You feel like this relationship is a burden, and you are carrying lots of emotions for this particular person, or you are developing new feelings for this particular person. Still you are very, very hurtful because of the past, but you are ready to put in the effort, to put in the energy, to put in the work in this connection, if the other party is also ready to do that. You are ready to give this relationship another chance. This is what is happening, Capricorn. Let's see what this past person feels for you, or whomsoever you were connected in the past. Let's see. Conflict. Five of Wands. I feel like this person feels like this is a conflicting relationship. Inner conflicts going on. Whenever they wants to come to you, or whenever you want to go to them, there is something that is not working in this connection. There's conflicts, there's fights, there's lots of you did that, and you did that. So it is like conflict. This person feels conflicted whenever they feel like they should come towards you, or they should be in a relationship with you. This is a conflicting energy that they are feeling right now. Let's clarify. It might be something else. Let's clarify. Yeah. Six of Swords, Ten of Swords, the Hermit. Okay, this person is walking away from you from this connection, because they are feeling like this is the worst situation that I could ever be in. Okay, they want a peaceful resolution, they want to move towards a peaceful calm future, and they feel like this the worst is over now, everything happened was over now. And now this person is looking in themselves, looking inside of them, looking, seeking answers from within, whether they want this connection or not. This is a conflicting energy. Their mind and their heart are pulling them in two different directions. This is what this person feels for you, Capricorn, this past person. Yeah, give me a second. Okay, so let's see if you are ready for a new energy or if somebody new is coming towards you. Let's see, Capricorn. Let's see. King of Pentacles. I don't feel like you are allowing somebody new coming towards you, because I feel like you are working on yourself. You are busy working on your finances, self care, self love, self healing. This is all you are doing right now. You are just making yourself stable. You are making yourself perfect. Might be you are just, making yourself perfect for somebody. Yeah. Let's clarify. Let's clarify. You're just trying to be as sophisticated as possible. The world, the Three of Swords, yes, and the Knight of Cups. Yes, after this breakup thing, after this heartache thing, that this breakup hurted you very, very much, you are just trying to love yourself. Yes, you are just trying to love yourself. This is the thing. So I feel like the relationship is completely over from your side. You can feel like this, there's nothing much left in this connection, okay? And this thing, hurted you very, very badly. This breaks your heart. You are completely heartbroken and you're just trying to love yourself. For the time being, you are just trying to love yourself and love your emotions, love your finances, love your work. This is what is happening. So I don't feel like there's somebody new coming in towards you, or you are allowing somebody new. Your energy is not allowing anybody new coming towards you as of now. Let's see what is coming towards you till 25th of June, Capricorn singles. Let's see. Manifestation. I feel like there will be a successful manifestation coming into fusion. Okay, there is something coming to light. There's something that you were manifesting from a long time, and that is coming towards you till 25th of June. A manifestation is being answered by the universal forces. Okay, let's clarify the Magician as the potential outcome for you till 25th of June. The Ace of Pentacles, the Ace of Wands, fuck, and the Seven of Pentacles. So I feel like there's a brand new beginning coming in towards you. There is a brand new passionate beginning coming in towards you. And I feel like you are waiting for this thing to happen from a very long time. You are just waiting for this thing. You are just waiting for something to happen from a very, very long time. And this manifestation is coming towards you. This is a good news. This is a great news, Capricorn. Your manifestation is going to be answered by the universe. This is good. There's a new beginning coming in towards you. There's a new start coming in towards you. It could be related to your finances, it could be related to your job or money or something like that. It could also be related to your love life. It is something that you are manifesting from a very long time. Now you know better, but you were manifesting. Yeah. So thank you so much, Capricorn, for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. Namaste.